Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I'll be showing you how to create a QR code for anything free online. So first of all, let's go to this website, goqr.me. I will leave a link in the description. So this is a website which is free and lets you create different types of QR code. So you can see, first you have to select the type and the content. So let's say you want to create a QR code for a URL, you'll select this URL and then type the URL. Let's test this. I'll enter my website and boom, you can see a live preview of this QR code here. If you want, you can just click on download, make some customization, like you can change the foreground, the color of this QR code. I'll change this to this one, and you can also change the background if you want, and you can set the size and click on download QR code as PNG or JPG. So I'll click on PNG and that's it, it will download the QR code. So this one is for the URL. Next off, we have a QR code for the text. If you select this, you can enter the text that you want to convert into QR code. Let's say howtoprofix, and this text is now converted into QR code that you can download and share. And the third one is vCard. You can enter the contact details and all this website and all this address and convert this into a live QR code that you can share with your clients or your projects. And then you have a QR code for SMS, call, and geolocation, and so on, also for an email. And you can also set up a QR code for your Wi-Fi by entering the network name and the password. And if you want more options with this QR code, you can directly contact the developer and they will do the embedding and all the custom QR code that you can request them to make. And it's a beautiful website, you should go try this. I'll leave a link of this website in the description, and make sure to like this video and let me know if you found this tool very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.